Lesson 2 to the world of animals. The largest butterfly in Kerala is southern birdwing, and the smallest is grass jewel. The official butterfly of Kerala is Malabar banded peacock. The pictures of some butterflies found in our surroundings are given below. Tawny coster, common parrot, blue tiger, crimson rose, lemon pansy, common mormon. Observe the butterflies in your surroundings, find their names and write them. So now let's learn names of some butterflies seen in our surroundings. Common rose, blue bottle, tailed jay, blue mormon, common emigrant, grass yellow, common jezebel, psyche, common evening brown, chocolate pansy, plain tiger, common foraging, commander. Butterflies depend on plants in two ways, for laying eggs and for food. The common mormon butterfly usually lays eggs on the citrus plant and the orangeberry plant. Their larvae eat the leaves of these plants. When they become butterflies, they find nectar from the flowers of hibiscus, white orchid tree and morning breeze plants. Grow plants like pagoda flower, rattleweed, curry leaf plant, citrus, oleander that attract butterflies in your school's biodiversity garden. Observe what types of butterflies come to the garden. How many varieties of creatures are around us? Where do they live? Forest, river, pond, paddy field, sacred grove, tree. What will happen if they become extinct? The earth belongs to everyone, doesn't it? Yes. What can we do to protect the surroundings where these creatures live? Do not throw waste. Avoid the overuse of pesticides. Protect the water bodies from pollution. Protect the habitat of creatures. Let us assess. Mitra observed the body features and food habits of the domestic animals like cat and goat and wrote them in the table. Add more details in the table. So let's first discuss about cat. Eats meat, has sharp nails on feet, has sharp teeth. Cat gives birth to young ones. It has a lot of fur on its body. Goat eats plant parts, does not have sharp nails on feet, has flat teeth. Goat gives birth to young ones. Body has thick skin. Find the sea creatures hidden in the picture given. Write their names. So, the sea creatures hidden here are octopus, starfish, crab, dolphin, stingray, sea turtle, prawn, shark, seahorse. In which category does the duck belong to according to its food habits? Omnivorous. If the duck was a carnivore like the eagle, what body features will it have? So here, if the duck is a carnivore, it will have sharp beak and sharp claws. Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more updates.